Looking for the best smart LED strip lights on Amazon? With so many choices, it's hard to pick the right one, so I researched for you. After reviewing tons of options, I've handpicked the top 5 from trusted brands. They're highly rated, reliable, and super useful. Check the description for prices and details. Now, let's dive in and find your perfect best smart LED strip lights. Number 1. Philips Hue Smart LED Light Strip. Upgrade your smart home lighting with the Philips Hue Indoor Smart Light Strip. This premium 6-foot LED strip delivers rich, colorful lighting that's perfect for your bedroom, living room, or behind your TV. With 16 million colors and adjustable brightness, it helps you create the perfect atmosphere for any mood or occasion. Control it hands-free using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. You can also set schedules, scenes, or sync with music and movies using the Philips Hue app. The flexible design allows easy installation around corners or furniture, and you can expand it up to 33 feet. Whether you're hosting a party or relaxing at home, the Philips Hue light strip adds style, function, and smart control to your space. Ready to transform your home lighting? Number 2. Govee TV Backlight Strip. Enhance your TV watching experience with the Govee TV LED Backlight Strip. This smart light strip features vibrant RGB colors and syncs seamlessly with your screen to create an immersive glow behind your TV. Easily control the lights using the Govee Home app via Bluetooth. No Wi-Fi needed. With 64 dynamic scene modes and music sync capabilities, your lights react to the beat of your favorite songs or in-game action. It's perfect for gaming setups, movie nights, or everyday ambience. The installation is quick and hassle-free, with strong adhesive and flexible strip design for most 46 to 60-inch TVs. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. If you want to level up your home entertainment setup with style and smart features, check out the Govee TV Backlight today. Number 3. Daybetter Smart LED Strip Lights. Transform your space with the Daybetter Smart LED Strip Lights. These 50-foot Wi-Fi-enabled RGB lights are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and gaming setups. You can control them using the Daybetter app or hands-free through Alexa and Google Assistant. Customize your lighting with millions of colors, set schedules, or activate music sync to make the lights dance with your favorite songs. The smart timer function allows you to automate when lights turn on or off, perfect for waking up or setting the mood in the evening. Easy to install with strong adhesive and cuttable design, these LED strips fit nearly any surface. Whether you're decorating for a party or creating a relaxing atmosphere, Daybetter's lights offer flexibility and smart convenience. Brighten your world the smart way with Daybetter. Number 4. Govee RGBIC Smart LED Strip Lights. Bring your room to life with the Govee Robic LED strip lights. These 16.4-foot smart lights feature segment control, allowing multiple colors to display at once, creating stunning lighting effects. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can control the lights through the Govee Home app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Easily change colors, set timers, adjust brightness, or activate music sync mode to let the lights pulse with your favorite tunes. The RGBIC technology offers vibrant, flowing animations that are perfect for bedrooms, gaming setups, and parties. You'll love the DIY mode that lets you create custom effects to match your vibe. Installation is easy with a strong adhesive and flexible strip design. Whether you're upgrading your home decor or setting a mood, Govee gives you powerful control and immersive color. Number 5. Reamer LED Strip Lights. Transform any space with the Reamer Smart LED Strip Lights. These vibrant, color-changing lights stretch 50 feet and are perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, or parties. Easily control the lights using the included remote or the smart app, allowing you to adjust colors, brightness, and lighting modes with just a tap. The strip features multiple dynamic scenes and music sync mode, letting your lights dance to the rhythm of your favorite songs. Designed for easy installation, the strong adhesive backing makes it simple to mount on walls, ceilings, or behind furniture. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy night or hosting a fun gathering, these LED lights offer flexibility, convenience, and stunning effects. Compatible with both iOS and Android, they're ideal for modern, smart home setups. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I share useful product videos every day. For more details or to check the latest prices, just have a look at the description below. Got a question or facing any issues? Drop a comment. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching the video till the end.